back. Yeah. Yo, listen up, I've got something to say. We use present simple every single day. If things don't change and stay the same, then this is the tense to win the game. Let's start. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. I usually wear my favorite socks. I often play with my best friend Joe. I sometimes build a house out of snow. Clap your hands. I never sleep inside a tree. I rarely drink cold hot tea. I hardly ever see a flying cow, but I frequently sing real loud. Every day I jump and run. Every month there's work and fun. Use these words and you will see the present simple's easy as can be. Keep the beat. When the sun is bright, I usually read a book at night. I sometimes dance when I hear a song, and I often sing, so clap along. One more time! I never swim inside my bed. I rarely stand on my own head. I hardly ever see a talking cat, but I frequently wear my favorite hat. Every day I jump and run. Every month there's work and fun. Use these words and you will see the present simple's easy as can be. Slow it down, then speed it up. Listen up, here's what we do. Talk about facts that stay real true. Like the sun is hot or fish can swim. The present simple's never dim. Straight down, always say never, 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 never. Say sometimes, sometimes. Say ever, 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 never. Now clap, stomp, jump and spin. Let's do this rap just one more again. Every day I jump and run. Every month there's work and fun. Use these words and you will see the present simple's easy as can be. Now you know just what to do. Present simple works for you. Say these words and rap with me. Learning English is easy peasy.